National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, northeastern Fayette County, Ohio, northwestern Pickaway County, southeastern Madison County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Sterling, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Sterling, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Commercial Point, Harrisburg, Orient, Deer Creek Lake, Chenoweth, Derby, Madison Mills, Big Plain, Wrightsville, and Pancosburg. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 79 and 93.